Okay, hi guys. We're here with another episode of Graham and Company, and we have a little project today, a little woodworking project that we're going to do. So why don't we get started? Guys!
This is what we are going to be working on today. Where's our thing?
Yep. Okay, so we got a little thing here. It's a little,
I just showed them.
what do you call it, Lace? Oh, like a cutting board.
Yeah.
But I don't use it as a cutting board. I use it as,
Like something to hold your stuff?
yeah, I put my candles on it. So it's a little rough around the edges, as you could tell.
A bit sharp up here.
Yeah. So we're going to sand this down. We're going to poly it up
Gosh, this is heavy.
and get it going.
Guys, this is so heavy. It's actually a lot heavier.
Well, a couple of things happening in the background.
Do your video.
They're doing something.
Alright, let her try one.
Yeah, what? I want to get hit.
I think it's like a popper thing. Anyway.
No.
Oh.
Roll in the wind. Do it up in the air. You're gonna pull it really hard. Hold the round part. You're gonna pull hard.
Oh!
You're not rough and hard.
Like
No,
this?
do your video.
Yeah.
Start.
Push the button down like there you go.
It's being so annoying.
Yeah, good job, Lace. Looks good, honey.
You go wrong, please.
Okay, so Lacey is going to show the finished project. And this is what I'm going to put my candles on.
Dun, 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 dun. This is our thing. Whoop. It's a party. Okay, yeah. I'm covered in sparkles. Yeah, whatever. So this is the first side. And as you can see, it's not as sharp over here. So we go like that. And the handle looks very nice. Then we have it flip to the other side. It also looks really nice.
How does it feel? Smooth?
Yeah, it's really smooth. Then I think did you also smooth the edges?
I did the sides.
Yeah, she also did the sides, which it's really nice. And then here's a handle. It's actually really comfortable to hold, so I think it's going to be really nice to put your candles on.
Yeah.
It's really nice, and this is what we used. Dusty.
Black & Decker.
Black & Decker. Never touch when it's dirty.
And Quinny's over there doing a project.
Yeah, and just something. This is heavier than it looks. If I drop it, it will make a huge kaplump.
Yeah, I might even crack the deck.
Yeah, and it was sitting right here, and it literally cracked the wood.
Go ahead.
It's so heavy, it literally
Go
cracked it.
in. All right, Lace, give me it because I'm
You know
going
where the
to do
bathroom
the
is?
chain.
Okay, bye. Wait.
Smash the like button and subscribe. Thumbs up.
Stay tuned for an important message from our sponsor.
See if one can do it.
Please smash the like button and please smash the like button and subscribe to this video and like it. Bye.
Lacey's gonna earn one.
I already earned one, so I'm gonna try to earn $2, and you can do that too. Come on. You gotta get.
She'll show you what to do. There's some in the grass.